ay. And I have anxiety attacks. Yo, ay, wena, ay, yo. Ay, yours is extreme, wena, Luvuyo. Ay, yo. I've never I've never. When it's just Joe Gutingi bani energy eningi. Like too
Awuthuba
much.
alright thuba akunankinga ngizozama ngizokucheck
And then I can't
ngizozama
focus for
ngizokucheck.
long. Focus for 2 minutes after Lapishael. And I tend to stop. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. But is the medication helping
Alright
you?
thuba.
Yeah, same. Hence I'm saying it's the same thing. But with the medication, it helps. The medication helps, Shem. It helps. Once I said it's the same thing. If focus in concentration, ayikho. It's 2 minutes. After that, you can't take it anymore. Already, when I zone out, Mina, it helps a little bit. Yours helps a little bit, but yours is extreme. That's why yours is very extreme. Yours is extreme. Mine is not that hectic, you know. If you don't know, you won't know. If I don't say anything, you won't know.
Guys, please tap the screen for me.
Awunadumako nkosi yami. Nadumako.
Mina, I will sit there and zone out. You'll be saying whatever you are saying, Mina ngizicabangela kwami, especially if something needs my full attention. Hayi khohlwa.
Utebu niye namfanisa mara namhlanje.
Mina, I'll sit, but I'll be zoned out. Like,
Guys, tap the
if
screen.
you wanna talk to me, mhlambe kumele ushaye itafula or something for me to come back and be like, oh, okay, what are you saying? Angizwanga most of the stuff you were saying. And talk about the forgetting, hey? Ngikhohlwe nomuntu baba. Ngikhohlwe nomuntu. Kanjalo mina. But that's a good part. That's the good part about it.
Umuntu ukhohlaza khohlwe nomuntu maluphuza into ze-concentration.
Guys, tap the screen.
Angithi ngisho yazi mako uJames wena. Hayi. Concentration eyincwadi. Imemory eyincwadi. Yo, guys, yo, yabona Sunday nyayizonda. I hate Sundays.
Abolwazi baqala ustrima ngo-1 emini.
10 roses.
Sebekusevile abolwazi baqala ustrima ngo-1 emini.
Yo,
The producer.
Itititi Jenso.
How are you? Thank you. I appreciate it. Hayi bo, ngingena ngapi namhlanje?
Ungene isikhathi bani?
Ngabo 5. Ngingena kuqala mina base kungena uShares.
Wenzeni?
LeBron, kungene mina kwase kungena uShares.
Kusho singene ngesikhathi esi1 ke.
Kwagcina mina.
Kwase kungena uJames. Kusho singene ngesikhathi esi1.
Times 3.
How are you, my baby? Yeah?
Kuyasaveka. Guys, let's go triple.
Hayi namhlanje akusaveki shem. Siwaluza nje lama fragment. Once I zone out they tell me go and take.
Times 3, guys. Thank you.
No, but yours is
Let's go, DJ.
Guys, let's go.
Yours is very extreme.
Thank you so much, DJ. Are you doing good?
I think it was bad
Are you
when I
doing
was
good
growing
today?
up.
Yo,
No, I think that's when it was bad. But now, man, yeah, it's whatever. Talk about you not sleeping at night, being super hyperactive, doing a good nothing. Yo, like I'll be coming up with ideas ebusuku ngithi okay, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna
But that's me.
Guys,
Young
what,
shares like in everything. I think like it's just the same. That's good.
Angishuthi
Producer,
nawe
that's so good.
uyagula.
Ebusuku, like I get ideas. Ngisho ukuthi lazini. Kathi ngavuka nje I could do a whole lot of things. Ngavuka ngicleane ngenze manje inkinga kusebusuku phela.
away.
And after
I
lapho,
would do
after
a lot
lapho,
of
no
things.
ma idea
Usazoba.
wakhohlwa nokokhohlwa.
Yazini, ayingeke.
Usazofa mave.
Isifo
Yezwa.
lesi. Thank
It
you,
is.
my MVP.